The English-speaking world, the bridge. Pragmatism as a formula for global peace. We are the great network. Our language is the global operating system, connecting 1.5 billion people. The mandate for the Anglosphere is the bridge. We must urgently renew pragmatism as our defining virtue. The silent anxiety is palpable. The English-speaking world is grappling with its own great paradox. The language of global connection is increasingly the language of domestic tribalism. Where our words once spanned continents, they now threaten to trap us in political cul-de-sacs. The tool designed for unity is now cutting us into factions. The profound legacy of Shakespeare and the Enlightenment calls for a return to humanism, to a language that exercises the virtue of understanding before it judges. For the 1.5 billion of us, this means embracing pragmatism not as transactional politics, but as a moral tool for seeking common ground and compromise. When English again fulfills its promise as the bridge, a space for open exchange and not for rigid segregation, the world gains a communication network that remains stable, reliable, and capable of fostering peace. Ultimately, all future pacts rest on this common denominator, because every language is a contract with the future, and the future will only emerge where words build bridges again.